What up? All right, so it's time to assess the damage on my car and Jeff's car. It's really cold and windy. Hopefully the wind doesn't fuck with the mic too much. Thinking about trying to pull out some of this damage, maybe. I know that I can do a lot of work to mine with just like some vice grips, so I'll do that as well. But let's see, we never really showed any of the damage because the camera died at the track, so this is what happened. Actually, put the hood down and let's look at the lines. So this is where Jeff hit me, obviously. Wait a minute. Well, this is where the contact happened.
This is where Quentin hit Jeff.
So what happened was, Jeff was in front of me, I was behind Jeff, and I was a little inside, like I was too shallow. I should have been like further back this way, but anyways, Jeff spun out in front of me and I just kept going this way, I guess, and my rear end hit Jeff's nose that was over here.
Just wait. Oh, park.
Yeah, I was spinning out like almost every time, but I started getting it at the end, so I think that's why Quentin was trying to get closer. Yeah. And then I should have just bailed out, but I tried to save it and I just kind of scooted to a stop and I was too far in, and then I think you tried to probably pull inside. Yeah. And then that's the end of it. It was so close, dude. Like if I just slammed it in reverse and backed up a foot, it would have been avoided.
Whatever though, shit happens. There's no bad blood between us. It's just something that'll happen sometimes. Jeff pulled off the fender because it was rubbing on the tire like super hardcore, so he had to drive it home, so we pulled the fender off.
The alignment was like this much this way, and now it's like the same amount the other way now, so
fuck it, dude.
It's still drive. Like
a lot of people kept saying like rip to your drift cars and stuff, but if we wanted to, we could have just kept driving them that day, so yeah, it's not a huge deal. This is what I'm talking about. The crinkle there, like an inch, like the whole thing is just shifted an inch. Oh yeah. So what's the plan, Jeff?
I don't know. I'm not the expert, but apparently we're gonna strap the truck to this and pull it back together, yeah, or pull it back to normal.
I think it's worth a try.
You might as well try, dude. I mean, the car works, so I'm just gonna keep drifting it and whatever. Now it's just certified drift car. Yeah. Eventually, I could cut off here, do a tube front end so that the panels line up.
Right now, if you put that fender on, it sticks way out back here and it rubs on the tire, and then the other one is pushed back, and so you can't even open the door all the way.
Since this mounting point is this way, it's pushing the fender, so like it's really like cosmetic.
Yeah.
It doesn't really affect the function.
So just like Jeff's, it's pretty much cosmetic. Nothing really is very broken at all, just mangled a bit. The trunk still closes perfectly fine and latches, so there's no problem there. Gas tank was fine. Like I said, I thought it was leaking, but it wasn't. When it happened, this was kicked in super far. Yeah. I punched it out when I was at the track a little bit. I just sat in here.
Gooch's nooch.
But so you can see here, this is like accordioned in. This is supposed to like attach over here. That's why there's a big gaping hole in my car. And then somehow, crazily enough, my tail light survived. I'll grab it to prove it to you. So here's the tail light. It was cracked before the accident, so nothing new happened to it. So I actually have to get a new one of these, which is probably the only thing that I'm gonna have to purchase. Also probably gonna have to get a bash bar, which is something I should have had in the first place. But I had the stock crash bar and it did kind of its job. It's good. I'm gonna grab some vice grips and see if I can pull this out a little bit. And maybe I'll take this off and then put the bumper back on and just see how it looks.
I don't really know what you're trying to do, to be honest.
I'm trying to uncrinkle this.
Oh, these fries are crinkled.
You're gonna need to drill a hole, I feel like.
Yeah. Alright, well, shit, that works. Oh.
That's what I was doing.
Genius. This is what ratchet straps are for.
Yeah, don't let it bonk you in the face.
This is the day Quentin died. Let's open a body shop.
Huh?
I said, let's open a body shop. This is working. Good as new. Yeah. I think this is how Nissan modeled this car. It's come a long way. Push it in there and call it a day. Throw some duct tape on it.
It's gotta make it to here.
My main concern is getting the
tail light?
The tail light to be able to at least sit in there. I think if we just like ratchet strapped it, it'd probably work. Demonstrating the law of bending.
The law of bending. Yeah, the old classic physics law.
You bend it a whole bunch and then it breaks.
Yeah. I think Aristotle said that.
What would we do without Aristotle? His law of bending.
Law of bending. What did he say about sledgehammer?
Push it through further. There's no dang tow hook on this?
Nah, dude. You never need to tow the view because it can't get stuck because it can't move. Yeah, to the exhaust?
No, the frame.
Oh, okay. Foreshadowing, Jeff.
Doesn't look safe.
It's working. Oh, yeah?
Yeah. If it starts splitting, you're gonna want to move away from that.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Now we need to do it up there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It almost looks.
Sick.
Oh, perfect.
It is golden. It's basically done. All you have to do is do a little gentle forming with a sledgehammer.
Gentle forming.
Yes. So the problem is this chunk is out a bunch. You need to gently form it downward.
We might have to go here too.
Maybe.
Yeah. That should be good then.
I think you're just starting to pull the hole wider. Maybe, yeah, coerce it. Huh?
It's a big time crinkle.
It is.
Might be as good as Gate.
Oh yeah, you know. Maybe he wants to be bend everything back. Yeah.
Look at him.
Dude, he fixed it. Yeah, I'd call that a 10 out of 10 well done job. Ah!
Oh shit.
Oh,
Dude.
yeah.
What? We fixed the car! Wait, now we try the bumper
Yeah,
on.
put the bumper on. So we're gonna have a before and after picture in this. Also,
Looks pretty good, honestly.
yeah, it kind of doesn't look bad at all. I'm surprised.
I'd say it looks better than at least half of the other cars that were at the track.
Yeah, true. You can never use that tow hook again though. It's like not even connected.
Another huge testament to fine line tuning. When I did that big old wall tapper, again, this is all that happened. It's kind of broken, but
Kind of broken is now the new philosophy with this whole car. Oh, I got a little more hammering to do. No. Okay.
it's that.
Oh. Perfect.
Can you?
After all
No,
this
you
work?
should bend it and stick it in there.
Yeah, you really should do. That's where it came from.
out and then bend it to a 90 and then stuff it in.
That's how I romance the ladies. I pull it out, I bend it to a 90 and then stuff it in.
It's in there. Pretty much.
So we use the ratchet strap to pull this flap of metal in there, and now the ratchet strap is stuck in there.
A classic whoopsie.
A classic whoopsie. A classic whoopsie indeed.
Keep hammering it.
Yeah, that's really your only option, is to just plow through to the other side. Yeah, it worked for Jim Morrison. It looks the same. I think that's just because it doesn't have the bumper bar to sit on, but I don't know.
At least it comes up. I guess it did rest on the dashboard a little bit.
Okay, so that's pretty much what I'm gonna get done today. I have to go to work. These guys might work on Jeff's car a little bit, do some pulling with the ratchet strap like we did. But basically, when I get a bash bar for this car, which I'm gonna do, which is like the bash bar that I have in the front, I'm gonna get the same one for the rear, is gonna stop the bumper from sagging like this, because it kind of rested on the OEM's crash bar before, and now the crash bar is not there because it got ripped off. But that's basically the only problem we're facing now. That's about as good as we're gonna get. We could always rewrap that part and make it look a lot better, but for now that's as good as we're gonna get. Surprisingly, we got the tail light back in. I just need to put in a couple bolts over there and then maybe make like a little bracket on this side so it doesn't pop out. But that's what the tape's there for right now. Yeah, I don't know, I think it looks pretty good.
It looks damn good compared to what it was. Yeah. When I showed up, there was a big 2-foot hole in your car.
And I also need to get a new one of these. So if anyone local, actually I think I know a dude local who has one of these for sale. Yeah, once I order up that bash bar, it's gonna be good as new.
Yeah, dude.
So to all the people who were like, well, time to put the 1J in the A6, it really wasn't that big of a deal. So, and it's a drift car, so shit like that happens and you gotta deal with it. Now Jeff has to deal with that.
I have a feeling it's not going to be as easy.
It probably won't be. Alright, so we're going to start working on Jeff's car, taking out the battery so we can get behind the area of collision, the affected area. Just hook into something and fucking give her a chooch. Wait, we need to think more thoroughly though, because what are we going to ratchet it to? Oh, straight through the boy. Oh, genius. Fuck yeah.
This will be perfect.
Yeah, that will be perfect. Like that, and then just, oh yeah, that's, yep. That's the ticket, Chief.
That's going to work?
That's going to work. It should be. Just like everything else we've ever done.
Dude, give it a yank here. Yank or doodle.
Well, now we just got to move the car so we can
We need
strap
something
it
to yank too.
All the boys, yank.
Dude, I love it when all the boys yank. I don't think it's doing much. Parallel, park it like butt to butt with a view, and then we'll wrap it around a tree over there or something.
I'll park it
or that tree. Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
All right, so this is our rig. So
Through the frontal hole.
the frontal hole.
Into the lateral hole.
Yes.
Around the tree and through the woods.
Yeah. So you just ratchet this bitch down, and she pulls not only from here but from here. So it just pulls this whole thing this way. Hopefully, we'll find out. So
ratchet on, brother.
time to ratchet on. Might be. Just gonna start moving the car, I think.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to
I agree. Me and Jeff think it's a good idea to strap it to the truck and
Yank it?
do a pull.
I think that's the worst thing ever, and I think it's a stupid idea. Maybe if we just hit the whole car with a heat gun, it'll bend easier.
It's just pulling the car like this.
All right, so that's not gonna work. I have to go to work and do work, but
Bye. Damn. Well, that was my one and only idea. Alright, Jeff says do it another day because it's too fucking cold and I feel it. It's getting dark anyway.
I don't have any good ideas for how to fix it anyway.
We'll brainstorm, we'll think it up.
It might actually be a little better. I don't know.
I don't think so. Try opening that door. Well, I guess I can do that. Go ahead. No, never mind. Oh well, what are you gonna do, you know?
Yeah, I just need Quentin to hit me from the other side now.
Yeah, exactly. All right, guys. Well, I guess that's gonna do it for another video. Don't forget to check out our merch that we got going on at After Hours Supply Co.'s website. If that pre-order is still up by the time this video is posted, I'm sure if it's not, then this whole part will be cut out of the video. Oh, I got big things coming for the BMW in the future. I'm getting lots of parts in. I did the math, and I'm $800 away from having the car completely done. And I just have to do everything. So that's pretty exciting, and I cannot believe how well this shit turned out. That's crazy. It's brand new.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
Did it work?
Yeah, dude, it worked. It's fixed. All right. Bye.
Bye.